Many friends said that they want a good quality, low price drone. It is the GPS drone that will never get lost. The drone is small, the fuselage can be folded, has 4K pixels, and it can fly 2 kilometers at a time. It also supports intelligent return with follow-to-flight mode, real-time transmission of images, and navigational shooting. This drone can be used for a long time. Its power system is very powerful. Smart remote control. During flight as agile as and escaped rapid. When parked like a quiet girl.